All right, fifth grade, welcome to our last math lesson for this week. Today we're going to be working with some multiplication and division review. Go to the last page of your packet that says 5.2, remembering. Now, as you've learned from earlier this week, before we really dig into long division, we have to have a firm foundation on multiplication, okay? So let's review that by doing a little two-step multiplication today. If I have a number, let's say 68, and I'm multiplying that by 21. When I do my two-step multiplication, I'm looking at this number down here first. I'm going to multiply it by this number. So you tell me, what's 1 times 8? Very good, that's 8. I write it directly below. Now I'm done with this. So I'm going back to the 1 times this number now. What's 1 times 6? Very good, that's 6. I write that below. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of the 1. I'm done with it. I'm going to switch colors. Now that I've got rid of the 1, that means I'm moving over to the tens place. So I need to put a placeholder. I'll write the number 0. Now I'm on to the tens place, which has a 2 in it. I do 2 times this number. What's 2 times 8? 16. Now I can't just write 16. Why? Because there's this number up here. So I have to carry the 1. Now I can do 2 times 6, which is 12. Add the 1. What's 12 plus 1? Well, that's 13. Okay, now I get rid of the 2. Do I have any more numbers on the bottom? No, I don't. So now I can go ahead and add these two numbers together. 8 and 0 is 8. 6 and 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 and 3 is 4. And then 1 and nothing is 1. So when I do 68 times 21, I'm going to get an answer of 1,428. All right, now let's review dividing by one number. All right, when I divide by one number, remember I got my division bar. I put my dividend inside, 1,267. My divisor goes outside, 5. Now I'm looking for the quotient. So ask yourself, 1 divided by 5. Oh, wait, thank you for reminding me. Let's do our little chant. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. What's 1 divided by 5? 0. Let's get rid of the commas. I think that might confuse you a little bit. Let's look at 12. What's 12 divided by 5? Well, that's 2. What's 2 times 5? 10. Subtract. What's 12 subtract 10? 2. Bring down the 6. Now I have 26. What's 26 divided by 5? 5. What's 5 times 5? 25. What's 26 subtract 25? 1. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down the 7. What's 17 divided by 5? 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract. 17 subtract 15 is 2. Do I have any more numbers to bring down? No, I don't. So what that means is I have a remainder. I represent a remainder with a little r, and I write the remainder over here. So what's 1,267 divided by 5? Well, it's 253, remainder 2. In case you might be a little bit confused about remainders, here's what you can think about them. If I had $1,267 that I wanted to divide amongst 5 of my family members, each person will get $253, and then I'd have $2 left over that I can't divide amongst the 5. All right, put that into practice today on 5.2, remembering.